Did you know that no emotion lasts more than 90 seconds unless you feed it with your thoughts? It's true. The physiological response to any emotion naturally fades within a minute and a half. Here's what happens in your brain. When an emotion is triggered, your body releases a flood of chemicals that course through your system and are flushed out in 90 seconds. But if you keep thinking about the emotion, you restart the cycle, making it linger. This isn't wishful thinking. It's neuroscience. Dr. Jill Bolte-Taylor discovered this in her groundbreaking research at Harvard. The next time you feel anger bubbling up, try this. Instead of reacting, focus on the physical sensations. Feel the tightness in your chest or the heat in your face. Count to 90 while breathing deeply. Don't resist the feeling. Observe it as it passes through you like a wave. You'll notice the intensity subside as the chemicals clear out. This practice empowers you to stop being ruled by emotional storms and recognize their temporary nature. Think of emotions as weather systems. They come and go if you don't fight them. We've all snapped at someone only to regret it moments later. That's the 90-second rule in action. By the time you realize what happened, the emotion has already started fading. Emotions don't make decisions for us. Our reactions do. Understanding this principle is the foundation of emotional regulation, a skill most people never master. Chapter 1. Cognitive Reframing. Disappointment doesn't come from events themselves, but from the gap between our expectations and reality. The good news? You can close that gap. Cognitive reframing is a powerful technique that changes how you see a situation without changing the situation itself. It's not about pretending everything is fine. It's about shifting your perspective to see more accurately and less catastrophically. For example, suppose you didn't get a promotion you wanted. The catastrophic perspective might say, "I'm a failure. I'll never succeed." A reframed perspective would say, "This is a setback, but I can learn from it. What feedback can I use to improve next time?" The first perspective closes doors. The second opens them. Reframing turns paralyzing disappointments into actionable challenges. It's not blind positivity. It's accurate thinking that acknowledges difficulties while maintaining control. Our brains love drama, often making small setbacks feel monumental. By reframing, you can cut through the theatrics and focus on opportunities. Chapter 2. The Emotional First Aid Kit. We prepare first aid kits for physical injuries, but what about emotional wounds? An emotional first aid kit is a collection of personalized strategies and tools designed to help you during moments of anxiety, sadness, or overwhelm. The key is to build it when you're calm, not during a crisis. Start by identifying your common emotional challenges and selecting interventions for each. For instance, if you often feel anxious, you might include physical actions like deep breathing, sensory tools like a calming scent, cognitive strategies like affirmations, and social components like contacting a trusted friend. Store these in your phone or a journal for easy access. This proactive approach transforms how you handle emotional struggles. Instead of feeling blindsided, you're equipped with tools tailored to your unique needs. It's not paranoia, it's preparation. Guys, I have an ambitious goal this year to reach 50,000 subscribers on the channel. If you enjoy my content and want to support me on this journey, hit that subscribe button now. Your support means the world and motivates me to create even better videos. Thank you for being here. Chapter 3. Breaking Rumination Cycles. Have you ever been stuck replaying a mistake or negative thought in your head, unable to stop? That's rumination, and it's a trap. The more you try to force yourself to stop thinking about something, the more it sticks. The solution is to interrupt the pattern and redirect your attention. Try the 5-3-1 technique. Name 5 things you can see right now. Move to a different location to change your environment. Spend 3 minutes on an engaging activity like solving a puzzle. Finally, take one productive action related to the issue or something entirely unrelated to shift your focus. By redirecting your brain's attention, you break the cycle of rumination and regain mental clarity. Remember, your thoughts need a constructive channel. Give them one. Chapter 4. The Spotlight Effect. The spotlight effect is our tendency to overestimate how much others notice our flaws, mistakes, or actions. The truth? Most people are too focused on themselves to pay much attention to you. For example, that embarrassing moment during a presentation might still haunt you, but chances are no one else even remembers it. Understanding the spotlight effect frees you from unnecessary self-consciousness, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Chapter 5. Third-person self-talk. Did you know that talking to yourself in the third person can help you manage emotions and make better decisions? Referring to yourself by name rather than I creates a psychological distance from intense feelings. For example, instead of saying, "I can't handle this," try, "Your name can handle this." This shift activates the rational parts of your brain, giving you access to your inner wisdom. Chapter 6. Mental contrasting. Positive thinking alone isn't enough to achieve your goals. Mental contrasting combines visualization with obstacle planning. Imagine your desired outcome and then identify potential challenges. Create specific plans to address those obstacles. For example, if you want to exercise more but fear fatigue, plan. If I feel tired, I'll start with just 10 minutes. This technique turns wishful thinking into strategic action, helping you stay on track when challenges arise. Chapter 7. Building Antifragility. Antifragility is the ability to grow stronger from stress. To build it, introduce small challenges into your routine, like cold showers or fasting. These controlled stressors build resilience, preparing you for unexpected challenges. Think of it as training your mind and body to thrive under pressure. Chapter 8. The Stockdale Paradox. The Stockdale Paradox teaches us to balance unwavering faith in eventual success with acceptance of current difficulties. It's about maintaining hope without denying reality. This mindset sustains resilience during prolonged hardships, helping you endure and overcome. Chapter 9. Constructing your personal resilience system. A personal resilience system integrates techniques like emotional regulation, cognitive reframing, and social connection into a cohesive framework. Practice these tools regularly so they become second nature. Resilience isn't a personality trait. It's a skill you can develop with intentional effort. These techniques aren't quick fixes. They're practices to build into your life. Choose one to start with and focus on it for a week. Then add another. Over time, you'll create a strong foundation of resilience, ready to support you through any challenge. Start today. Your future self will thank you.